A clean pool is a happy pool. Enjoy more hours of pool fun and less time cleaning with the ZX300 Deluxe Automatic Pool Cleaner by Intex. The ZX300 is an ultra-convenient pressure-side automatic cleaner. It is designed to patrol your pool floor and walls with water-powered all-wheel drive for swift cleaning action and superior wall climbing performance. Just connect to the pressure side inlet, and the suction is generated within the cleaner itself. Watch while it picks up leaves, dirt, and other unwanted debris directly into a removable half-gallon filter basket. Designed with rotating dual dirt scrubbers for cleaning even the finest and hard-to-remove dirt up to the waterline. Pool maintenance doesn't have to be a chore. Sit back and enjoy having a clean pool all season long.